Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to use the distinct by on your dynamic section using the Form Titan add-in for Word. So we're going to head over to the Form Titan add-in and click Insert Edit Section. You can do this with the right click as well. So we're going to do Insert Edit Section and we're going to say, for example, opportunity products. And we're going to give it a comment, and we're just going to insert this without the distinct, and we're going to head back and set the distinct in a minute. Let's add some fields. So we're going to insert a field, going to say let's say product, and grab the product name, and do insert, and let's insert another field. Let's do quantity. That should be enough. Let's configure the format. We'll apply. Let's insert that, and let's do the price. So we're going to do, let's say, total price. Now I'll set that as well. And now let's grab an opportunity. So I'm going to head to my Salesforce. Here is my opportunity, Edges LA. Let's take a look at our product. So we have the 100 kW twice. So we have that once with the quantity of 1, and we have that again with the quantity of 7. So that's a duplicate. So what we want to display in Word is only one of these. So if we have the same product, we don't want to display it twice. So I'm just going to preview it now. I did not set the distinct yet. And we should see all products. So this is our products dynamically from Salesforce. And what we're going to do now is set our filter, and we're going to set the opportunity ID equals, let's head back to our opportunity and just select, grab the ID just for the demonstration purposes. We'll save this, save the condition, and we're going to head over to our section, and we're going to hit distinct. And we're going to say that the product ID, we're setting the distinct on the product ID. So if we see the product ID twice in the section, we're not going to bring it in. So we'll hit save, hit preview. So we see the 100 kW. Let's find this, 100 kW. Let's just search this. So we see it only once. And if I'll head back and take off the distinct, and preview it again, and I'll search the 100 kW, we see it twice, once with the 1 and once with the 7. And this is how it's done.